Hi, I'm Tanja. Welcome to Elite Pilates and Yoga Services. So if you are suffering with lower backache, if you've got arthritis, if you've got osteoporosis, if you have sciatica, if you have a bulging disc, fibromyalgia, any kind of morbidity or limitation / restriction in your body, then our classes are, I want to say perfect, will be ideal for you. We specialize in adapting exercises to suit the individual on the mat in front of us, rather than expecting you to do the same as everybody else. So we appreciate that we all have different bodies. So if you would like to come along for a free session in a really safe and friendly environment, then all you need to do is click on that link and book a free taster with us. So don't worry if you, like me, and you have anxiety and you get really anxious. I'm here to support you all the way through that, and our clients are waiting to welcome you with open arms. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.